Here's your Hollywood maintenance. I just thought I would show you on my hair how to work order. It says here buzzing in this breaker box. It's actually there's a contactor behind this little box there. See if I can do it with one hand. I'm gonna have to put my phone down. See what I mean here, that buzzing. Just gonna install this contactor. Just gonna take it off the way it is, start unplugging stuff. First I'm gonna cut the power. This one should work. All I'm gonna do, shut off the power, start pulling all the plugs and just put them right here up top on these ones. Then we have these two back ones. Just all I'm doing is just unplugging and plugging back in, and it's mounted on by a screw down there, like round, maybe, and this top one. It's always good to take a picture so you know where everything's at. I also wanted to point it out. I was flipping the breakers and I made sure that none of this had power. I was using my cheat stick. Okay, got it installed. Turn on all the lights. Looks like everything's back on. I'm gonna go around the house just to make sure. If this is helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All I'm gonna do is put this cover back on. Looks like they used double-sided tape. That's what was taking so long to get this off. I'm back at my shop, but I just want to show you this contactor again. This is the one that was buzzing. There's the model number. And I'll show you the one I replaced it with. It's an Eaton. Thanks for watching.